What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Evolution X OS, which is just one of the best ever custom ROMs out there for many devices. The Evolution X Custom Edition is what we have installed on our Redmi Note 9 Pro. It's a mere tool build. So it can be installed on Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Poco M2 Pro. All of these devices are supported, and of course this is the Evolution X Custom Edition 5.9.1 Infinity, which is of course the latest version which we have with the latest August security patch based on Android version 11. But of course, as expected, it also has some Android 12 features for you. And if you're looking to install a good custom ROM with Android 12 features, good customizations, good stability, then this might be a good choice for you. I'm still gonna not compare with WebOS. WebOS for me at all is still till now just one of the best ever custom ROMs out there. This is Evolution X OS, so yes, it comes with Pixel apps, and as expectedly, Pixel Launcher is pre-installed. Pixel Launcher, of course, Pixel UI and everywhere, but you don't get extra features like hide apps features, etc. You can customize the default launcher. By the way, many kind of Magisk modules I already made a video on, like launcher, shady launcher, pixelated launcher. You can give it a try if you want to. In the quick settings panel, as you can see, the quick settings header image is also present. Brightness slider is what we have already customized, and you also get the screen recording option, where screen recording options having some extra features: show dot to stop recording, lower video quality, etc, etc. You can customize a lot of things, and including that, if you're looking to customize the default theme, you get some extra theming options for you. We have approximately 6 styles already present, 6 default themes already present, but you can create your own theme also. Many extra options are already present for you. So yes, one of the best things what I liked about this build. And yes, CPU throttling options, I tested for 5 minutes, and CPU throttled to 95% of its maximum performance. This is not that bad, but yes, as I previously mentioned, if you compare with the WebOS is far more better than this. But Evolution X OS of course has better customizations, and alongside the customizations you have some extra features and stability, then this might not be a bad choice for you. L1 is also present if you are looking to use Amazon Prime, Netflix, etc. Then you have the L1 certificate already present, and I didn't install any kind of firmware. It's already present. If you're having any kind of issues, you can try flashing firmware. That might help you. And in the terms of safety status, the safety status as expectedly does not have any kind of issues. Of course, if you use Magisk, you need to hide it from settings, but if you don't use Magisk, you don't need any kind of things. You simply use your device without root. The safety status will definitely be passed. You'll be able to use banking apps on your device. Let's just talk about some bit of extra things, like you have the Gallery Go pre-installed, you have the Metro Music, you have the MIUI camera, which you don't get the Evolution X normal build. Here you have this Evolution X Custom Edition. That's why some extra things, features, etc. are already present. In the terms of features section, if you're looking to explore some features are of course great, and a lot more features are already present for you. Xiaomi Buds as expectedly is also included, which comes with a Mi Sound Enhancer, which is one of my favorite features. I always use this and I think so most of you guys also use, because you always use headphones on your device and you need Mi Sound Enhancer. If you are using a Xiaomi device, you need that. Yes, it's already present. Security, etc. almost has same features. Privacy related things are good there. Fingerprint, face lock, app lock, everything is present. Display, etc. you have the Android 12 search bar option present, so if you want to enable it you can. If you don't want that, you can simply disable it. So yes, the option to customize this is already present. The Evolver, where you have some customizations already present for you. You can customize the lock screen clocks, you can customize the accent color, the font style has extra options for you. You can customize the Wi-Fi icons, signal icons, you can customize the brightness slider style, volume panel style, G visual mode. Everything is already present for you. In the terms of customization section, most of the guys already know that Evolution X OS always has better customizations compared to other custom ROMs. Evolution X OS has more customizations, more useful features compared to some ROMs which include some useless features. So yes, these are the things you get here. If you want to install this build on your device, as like other custom ROMs, you simply need to install the zip file, format data, reboot, you're good to go. And if you don't want to install this, simply skip this. This is all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me to get all of these videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like like I'm floating through the air.